Before anything else, separate the rear wheel, separate the tire and tube, separate the sprocket, separate the disc rotor. Install the motor wheel on the tire and then the sprocket. Mount the wheel on the motor wheel bicycle again. Mount the rail after mounting the rear wheel. Mount the LCD and console at the center of the handle. Then, connect the wires. Arrange the wires. After the wiring, mount the PAS sensor. Mount the main body. And then press the run button to see if it is working properly. On the LCD display, change the speed to see if the rear wheel works properly. Mid-drive motor mounting of G-bike. Mount the mid-drive motor. Fix the motor firmly. Mount the chainring and then rotate the paddle to see if it works fine. After the test is over, mount the crank. Mount the rail. Mount the PAS sensor. Connect and then arrange the wires. On the LCD display, change the speed to see if the rear wheel works properly.